Hey guys, are you want to buy best face paint kit? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best face paint kit that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Zenovika Face Paint Kit for Kids. The Zenovika Face Paint Kit for Kids contains an array of colors, multiple brush sizes, sponges, and glitter, making this our best overall pick. This multi-piece kit comes with 15 colors, 3 brushes, 2 glitters, 2 sponges, 2 hair colors, and 60 reusable stencils, making it a complete package. What's more, the paints in this kit are water-activated, making them suitable for kids of all ages. Plus, this kit is non-toxic, fragrance-free, and hypoallergenic, making it a safe option for all skin types. As an added bonus, this kit comes with a face paint book to inspire and guide you as you learn to paint, complete with 39 step-by-step instructions. Now our second product is Snazaru Face Paint Kit. Snazaru's Face Paint Kit is a reliable, classic option for your next party or event. Containing paints made from fragrance-free ingredients and reviewed by independent dermatologists and toxicologists, you can rest assured this face paint kit is safe for your kids. Featuring water-based paints that are easy to apply and wash off whenever you want it, this kit also includes a bonus painting guide with instructions on how to apply amazing designs. What's more, this kit is proudly made in the UK and its ingredients meet the FDA standards and toy cosmetic regulations, ensuring they're non-toxic and safe to use. Our third product is Create a Face Store Face Painting Kit. Create a Face Store's face painting kit features long-lasting paint that can be easily washed off whenever you'd like, making this our most long-lasting pick. This complete face paint kit comes with 8 bright, vibrant colors, 36 reusable stencils, brushes, glitter, sponges, and applicators. Featuring water-based paints that are cosmetic grade, the ingredients used in these paints are hypoallergenic, non-toxic, and paraben-free, making them suitable for your children. Now number 4, Jin Key Art Face Paint Kit for Kids. The Jin Key Art Face Paint Kit for Kids is a top body art kit option, featuring rich, vibrant colors for a variety of face paint projects. A complete kit, this face paint kit includes 15 colors including magenta, forest green, and flaming orange along with 2 brushes. Safe and easy to use, the paints included in this kit are made from natural, non-toxic, and hypoallergenic ingredients. Plus, they're 100% FDA compliant and safe for all skin types. What's more, these paints are water-activated, which means that they're long-lasting, but also easy to wash off once you're finished playing. As an added bonus, the company stands by its product and markets these paints as a risk-free purchase, offering a full refund or replacement should you have any problems. And our last choice is Mase's Face Painting Kits for Kids. The Mase's Face Painting Kit for Kids features a unique stick design, allowing you and your children to easily apply the paint through an ergonomic stick that provides perfectly balanced paint strokes every time. What's more, this kit includes 12 bright colors, so you can rest assured you'll have every color you need for your special occasion. Plus, this face paint kit features non-toxic, water-based paints that are easy to apply and wash off. These paints are also gentle on the skin, making this kit ideal for kids. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.